Hey guys, just showing you this because I searched it on YouTube and there wasn't a video for it, so I kind of wanted to show you. Hey, this is my personal 579. Pull that little car trailer there. PACCAR powered, Allison automatic. I know that's the exact opposite of what you think Peterbilt Steve would probably have, but that's what Peterbilt Steve can afford. But anyway, just real quick, I wanted to show you, had a check engine light and all of a sudden the oil pressure said we were at 200 pounds. And this is the old sensor, obviously the problem. This is the new sensor. Luckily my guys at my shop, I took it in and I was like, hey man, you need to fix it. And they're like, man, it's really not that big a deal. So for anybody that has a PACCAR, and again, this is a 19 model truck. I don't remember exactly what year the emissions are on this, but if yours is on the driver's side, just right there, that twist lock, you can see the threads on this. It just twists in there, or that twist on this, and that goes in there, 1/8" socket. You'll need an extension. Pretty simple. It's literally a 5-minute pit stop. Like, it's taking me 30 minutes to do this one. I could do the next one in 5. But of all the things that are on the internet, I'm always excited to put something on there that's not. So PACCAR MX13 oil pressure sensor replacement. There it is. You guys have a great Sunday.